Hi, my name is Michael Ryan with Armor Concepts, and today I will be showing you all the components to your Easy Armor Double Sidelight Reinforcement Kit. Let's get started. Here we have your Easy Armor Double Sidelight Reinforcement Kit. We're just going to open it up, and inside you will find two Sidelight end shields, two mini door shields. Continue to open the box. Find one Sidelight jam shield and one pack of screws and instructions. That completes your components of your Easy Armor Double Sidelight Reinforcement Kit.